Good morning, everyone. So in this video, I'm showing you how to start using Ubuntu as an OS. Now here, the icon that you're seeing is the VMware workstation of Ubuntu. I'm just double clicking onto it. So this is the window that will be available to you at the very first time, right? Here is the power button. You need to click onto it to get started. Now, this is the window where you will be logging in. So click onto it and provide the password. As you have seen, one of the highest feature of Unix is providing the security due to multi-user ability into it. So we have logged in into the Ubuntu workstation, VMware workstation. So this is the desktop, I can say, of Ubuntu OS. Now, I need not go anywhere right now. I want to work onto the terminal, that is the command prompt, right? So for that, there is a shortcut key, Control Alt and T. If you click onto it, so this is the command prompt that is available to you. The first command I would like to use here is sudo. The next command that I will be using here is apt-get. Okay. And after this, I will be using the list command. ls is for list command, right? Next, this is the normal listing. If I want to do the long listing, I can make use of it like this, ls-l. Then pwd stands for print working directory. So our current directory, whatever it is, it will be displaying it to you. There is another command. If at all you want to make your own directory, you can make use of mkdir. Mkdir and directory name. Suppose if I'm going to write here BCA, and now if that directory has been made, I want to change my directory to BCA right now. So I can say here cd space BCA. So currently I am into the folder called as, or the directory called as BCA. Now, if at all I want to write the command as who, so it will be giving you who are you. Your terminal details and everything will be displayed to you along with the date and time. Who am I is another command that will give you the name of the user that you are. Okay, user details. Now, another command is there that is called as W. Okay, this will be listing all of the users that are available onto this machine. For manual details, we have man. You have a list of huge manual over here for all of the commands that you want to see. Like here ls we have, then the manual, if at all you want to suffix your man with -8, is going to display the succession, all of the available manual pages for you. Man-L, so it's going to display or compress the file and restore all of the details are available to you. And the general options that will be suffixed along with it. It's a huge manual. At any point, if you want to end up, you can just click onto either H or Q, H for help and Q for quit. Now, I typed there as H, so it is giving me for help. What do you require to go forward line one or backward line one? What else command you require to go? It's giving you all of the instructions. Now I want to quit this, so you can directly make use of the Q onto it. So you are out of the manual now, okay? Suppose if you want to find out how much free available space is available onto the disk, memory space. So it's showing you how much is free, how much is used, and all the details. Uname -a. So it's going to give you the details of the username, okay, and all the respective details of the process ID, time, and everything. These are the few commands that I would like to explain you. We'll try few more in the coming days. So if you want to come out of this terminal, you can type there exit and enter. So you are out of the terminal. And as you wish to shut down this or to exit from the Ubuntu workstation VMware, you can click onto this exit, say power off, it will be terminated.